Oh, we're doing this.
All right, Ryan, what's going on?
Basically, my timing belt came in. We're gonna try to hopefully get the car running tonight.
We are currently on the way to AutoZone. There's no way this is gonna work to get coolant.
You're supposed to take because we drained my coolant system.
Drained? Stop.
Drained. we're replacing the timing belt with a new one, and it definitely needs to be done. So, doing that. I already have the car taken apart for it. We're gonna try to not blow the car up.
Yep. Yeah. Sounds good. All right. See you guys at the house. Just turns backwards driving.
Wait a minute.
Oh sh. What is it, bro?
It's the f***ing Poe. No,
dude,
boys.
All right, so we have our Greddy timing belt unboxing. Very nice packaging. Yo, Stock, can we see that?
It's enough.
We need to see that and
Like,
just pretend
so
like
small.
it does look much smaller. Yo, it's nice and blue and new.
Yep.
I think so, dude. Yeah, that's pretty fire. Ryan, you happy with it so far?
I'll be happy when it's in the car.
Facts. What else you get?
Idler pulley, tensioner pulley, a new spring for the tensioner.
Nice.
Wow. Jay chillin'.
Gotta do the complete
Well, it's not a
unboxing.
koozie. It's more like a koozie.
Oh, nice. Perfect. Yo, do you flex on us like that right now?
I just felt these in my
How much were those?
This is a Kevlar timing belt. So I can shoot it. This timing belt's rated for 22 long range. Okay. Shots from 9mm from 40 meters away.
So is that what they mean when they say bulletproof trucks?
Yeah, right? I got a bulletproof 6.0. What can it hold up to? Oh, 5.56. Step one, we need to get this cover off.
Pull some spark plugs out, set it top dead center.
Okay.
Cylinder 1, TDC.
And then
That's where it has to be.
If you're messing with timing at all?
Yes. I mean, you could try to just free ball it and take it off right now and like hope to God that the crank or the cams don't move. Those are based on that. So we need to set the crank into the correct position. So then the cams will be in the correct position. We can take it off, and if they move, we can set them back to the right position based on the marks.
We're gonna be good.
Yeah. Something
let's
like
get
that.
started.
I just made that up. Yeah.
Are they all zip tied?
Yeah.
Hold the connector in.
Are they all broken or something? This up? So, yeah. It's probably just added security.
Let me get in on this. Yeah.
This is stupid. Flick it up, pull it out.
Yeah, I had to do that too, you know.
What do you mean?
When I changed mine.
There's the connector.
Yeah, really?
Yeah, when I changed it, yeah.
And then what does it do, Danny?
Fucking thing and boom, comes right out. There's nothing retaining them.
Oh my god, bro. There's gonna be
4 times 6, buddy, 24.
That's pretty good.
No, they're not too tight.
That's
so you
pretty
can flip
good.
them up.
I thought I just saw like a plastic piece fly off. I was like,
Is that top tier? I think that's top tier.
Yo, let us know down below. Is that meme right there?
Are all the
Top
clips
tier.
broken?
I think it's top tier. In my book.
I'm gonna vote S tier, 100%. S tier.
That's top tier?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So why aren't they?
Hey Ryan, why are your coil packs zip tied for real?
because these connectors are
Because all of them are old plastic pieces of and they're terrible.
Yo, so what Mike's doing right now is he's taking off the idler pulley, so because what they have to do,
Install idler pulley at 42 pounds.
yeah, I don't understand how a torque wrench works.
You're like clicks.
So when you turn this, it changes the, there's probably a spring in here that pulls down on this. And so as you tighten that, it just puts more tension on it. So it takes more effort for that click to happen.
facts. Yeah, did you know that a foot-pound is what the amount of torque that you would get if you put a pound on something a foot away from what you're turning?
Huh?
Okay.
What?
So you got a bolt right here,
Bolt.
okay, and we put a wrench on it that's a foot long. You put a pound on top of it at this side, that's a 1 pound foot.
Okay, so like let's say like
I don't know how to
you
say
see
it.
like
Foot pound,
let's say
pound,
like
foot.
you see an ant on the ground, right?
What?
If you step on it and it crushes it, that's basically
That's an ant
equal to 1 foot-pound of torque.
Unfortunately, we don't have a timing mark at the bottom, so.
Yeah, we do.
Yeah, you do at the bottom of
There
the
is.
sprocket.
There's still a mark on the bottom. There's just not a mark on the case.
I sent you a picture.
Yeah, but you were like, oh, we don't have the mark. It's on the
Yes.
Sound like your voice is pretty hurt, my guy.
Alright.
Crazy. I'm probably gonna rip it or something with my luck.
On
Boozy.
Oh, Chris!
Yeah, that looks about right.
Okay.
Let's see what you got going on. Oh, facts.
God.
What's over there?
Just like that.
On baby.
Lined up, baby on baby. Here, you want to put it down there? I'll hold these up here.
Just like that. Oh, for real?
Do not.
You need the knots
Do not
to
fall, dude. Do not move.
baby on baby on baby.
I want to smoke Khalifa Kush KK one day.
I was in Vegas once and it was out of stock at the dispensary. I was so upset.
Was that a strain?
Wiz Khalifa's personal strain of weed.
You think it's fire?
Yo, 100 likes and I was shaving
Charging
my
like-
balls.
ADHD, dog. Yeah,
100 likes. 100 likes will shave his balls on live. On live.
I'd say it's pretty solid.
It's pretty taut.
Check it one last time before we tighten it.
You good?
Yeah, I'd say it's solid. Your crank has two of them. One to hold the sprocket, one to hold the harmonic balancer. Okay. So Juan.
It says add tension until it's tight enough to where you do this. You can, it's tight, and then you tighten it.
Yo, I hate to be the bearer of bad news. But if we've got the spark plugs covered and we cover up the top cam gears, how the f are we gonna find TDC to put your cast in?
Yeah, true. Take it up.
You got the notch up at 12?
Yeah. That's the notch. That's the notch.
Oh, yeah.
That's 100.
Yo, Stock, what's going on right now, man?
Ryan's trying to figure out how to use a torque wrench.
No, I mean, I mean with the motor.
Oh,
What are we looking at right now?
115.
What?
What is he getting ready to tighten?
10. You gotta follow it goes line and it drops.
I feel like I'm gonna look blazed in this. Stone cold sober. About a torque, the crank bolt.
Please don't snap.
Yeah. There you go, cut. It's good.
105 foot-pounds.
Okay.
So that's like 105 feet at a pound.
It's like 105 feet crushing it.
All right, so what's going on? It's the next night. We're basically at the same place where we were last night because we had to redo a whole bunch.
Wait.
We had the tensioner on backwards.
The tensor spring?
I just want to
Tensor spring behind the, harmonic balancer down there?
Something like that.
Yeah. Now we are putting the top of the cover on for real this time. Radiator's back in. The fan is going on.
Why is it like
Then we're gonna put coolant in it and start it.
Off and put it back on.
What's the issue right now, Mello?
I think it's because the pulling.
Just getting it back together before we time it.
We do actually have to take the top of the spark plug coil pack cover off. We gotta take it back off so we can use a timing light and time this thing. We're getting ready to put coolant in this thing. We got just good old green
Asian.
lime flavor.
Yeah, it says Asian vehicles, 1990 to 1990 to 2008.
Perfect.
Nissan vehicles.
Perfect.
Why you son of
I think that's Mello's first bleep.
So I got the record for goddamn beliefs. It's so crazy that I say so many curse words.
Alright, get the cover off.
You got it.
Make sure not
Don't
leaking.
laugh, don't laugh.
It's not leaking, is it? Anywhere? We didn't forget anything?
Not yet.
Oh,
Give it mass. Sounds empty.
Yeah, feeder.
Empty as
Yeah, give her mass agua.
It needs more coolant.
I mean, it's not emptying it all.
Might need to
Fill it up, cut.
run it.
I mean, it's pretty low. When it's full, it sits pretty, up there. You heard.
Yeah, I mean, I'm gonna barely add any water.
Hit the glug glug.
Never mind.
That's a lot. You heard.
You think we did it good?
I'm not gonna say we did good.
I should try it.
I think we maybe didn't do it bad enough where it's gonna
Your head's been throbbing for 4 hours.
Yes, Fitz.
I say headaches is a sign of COVID.
I don't give a
Mas, push a mas. Push, ahí.
There's ticks
On the back of it?
Yeah, right.
Okay. Yeah.
And there's another tick on the cover.
Mm-hmm.
So those ticks signify degrees before top dead center.
Okay.
Why is it even further off?
And 5 degree intervals, because I told you, because when we were tightening it, it moved.
That's pretty far off.
And then what is the light itself gonna do?
All right,
that's
so
plugged
then we
in?
hook the timing light up. So we put the ignition light lead on the power wire for the cylinder 1 spark plug. So when the cylinder 1 spark plug fires, the timing light flashes, and you aim the timing light at the mark.
That should go on.
And when it flashes, that's cylinder 1 igniting. And we move the CAS module right here at the front
Okay, thank God.
in either direction to either advance the spark, so move it further ahead, top dead center, so more ticks, or retard it if it's too far. And ideally, we want 15 degrees before top dead center. Ignition advance. That's what we're setting basically. So I'm just making up. It's so good. Yeah.
What is that?
Don't roll up on me, bro.
You'll see.
I'm too scared.
So third mark.
Dude, just start it.
We did turn the engine over a lot by hand.
What's 15?
So if it was gonna smack something,
On my phone.
I think we would have smacked it. I think.
Is there anything else you want to double, triple check right now, Ryan?
There's nothing to double, triple check.
Timing
man.
belt, tension, crank bolt, tight, coolant, in, electrical connectors, plugged,
Pulleys on.
tightened.
Crank bolt. Tighten.
Battery connected. I think we're good, man.
Okay. We're way too advanced. Run it back.
Let me light.
You gotta go with 4 now. The light doesn't help. The timing light is.
That's on the fourth one.
That's on the fourth.
0, 5, 10, 15. So
That's it, baby.
maybe a hair back.
I mean, that's fine. It's not gonna blow
I know. I
out.
just want to put the cap on.
Yeah, it's definitely not gonna blow
No,
out.
it's not gonna blow up. I want to put the cap on. All right, you can start it back.
And it's definitely gonna be more.
Yeah, definitely. You hit the fan.
You guys can hear how it changes a little bit as they adjust the timing. It's pretty cool.
I think it might be the light.
So let me fill y'all in. Timing light either doesn't have a good connection, which it should, or it's dying. I think it's dying.
That is so sick.
I mean, it
So
was
now
working
we can't
solid
time it
before,
tonight.
man.
Can't do it tomorrow night. This is night like 3 or 4 of
Slowly getting
this.
worse without us touching.
So now we're gonna have to wait till after the weekend.